Janaguru Arts Center founder and veteran musician Clive Malunga has urged the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA to intervene in the country's political and economic crisis, citing the Army's critical role in removing the late former president Robert Gabriel Mugabe from power in 2017. Sambina mashoko ataugwa na Clive Malunga noti bo subscribe like otina on the bell icon. Webina mnamonyo kwa mchinzi. Malunga praised the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, then Army General, for his bravery in returning to Zimbabwe from China, despite threats from Mugabe's notorious CIO during the build-up of the November 2017 military coup. Malunga contrasted Chiwenga's bravery with the President Emmerson Mnangagwa's decision to flee to South Africa, fearing for his life. He further asked Chiwenga if he is happy with the current political and economic situation in Zimbabwe. It is not wrong for the people to call upon the Zimbabwe National Army to evaluate the strategy they used in 2017. The army brought us into this situation. The army must take us out of it, he said. I have much respect for General Constantino Chiwenga because he is a tried and tested freedom fighter. He also questioned whether the current leadership is fulfilling the promises of the improved living conditions made during the liberation struggle. Malunga pleaded with the army to summon your courage to redirect the nation and warned that the people's patience is being taken for granted, citing the examples of the first Chimurenga and the liberation struggle. Sadoma shuka tukunatagwa na Malunga panamba chita aiwa aikweshena VP Chiwenga chita aiwa, are you satisfied kuti aiwa current leadership iri munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa iri kugutsikana kanti iri kugutsa vanhu vemunyika yeZimbabwe? Aiwa muri yeZimbabwe is advocating for a coup, achita aiwa pafana kuitwa coup nearmy noti ndo yakatiza in this situation. Saka army ndo inofana kuya ichitibvisa musituation yakadai. Chibotudze mafungiro enyu munokudi pamusoro pemashoko ake. Pinai comment section medu, subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.